Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer 2FA codes from Authy to a new phone, detailed guide step by. To transfer 2FA codes from Authy to a new phone, follow these steps. First, ensure that both your old phone and your new phone are readily accessible. On your old phone, open the Authy app. Tap the menu icon in the upper left corner of the app. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Next, choose Devices. Here, you'll see an option to enable multi-device. Toggle the switch to enable multi-device if it's not already enabled. This allows you to access your Authy account on another device. Once enabled, grab your new phone. Download and install the Authy app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the Authy app on your new phone. Choose the option to set up your account. You will be prompted to enter your phone number. Make sure you enter the same phone number associated with your Authy account. Authy will send a verification code to your old phone. Check your old phone for the verification code. Enter this verification code into the Authy app on your new phone. Once verified, you'll see your 2FA accounts loading onto the new device. Confirm that all your codes have successfully transferred. If you encounter any issues, ensure both devices are connected to the internet. You may need to repeat the verification steps if the codes do not show up. Once everything is in order, you can start using 2FA on your new phone. Finally, if you no longer need Authy on your old phone, you can uninstall the app. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred your 2FA codes to your new phone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.